Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing 7th grade math, lesson 24. Okay, number 1. The diameter of a circular sumo wrestling ring is 14.9 feet. What is the area of the sumo wrestling ring? Well, to find the area of a circular, or not a circular, to find the area of a circle, you would do area equals pi radius squared. And we know that 2 of radiuses, so radius times 2 is equal to a diameter. So that means we would have to divide 14.9. 14.9 divided by 2 is 7.45. So to find the area of the sumo wrestling ring, we would do pi times 7.45 squared, and I will be using a calculator to make this go faster, but you can do this by hand because we know that pi is equal to around 3.14. So the answer would be 174.27785, but we're not going to worry about the decimals, and we're just going to say the answer is roughly 174 feet. Number 2. What is the circumference of a circle if the radius of the circle is 6 inches? Okay, well, we know that to find the circumference, it would be, the formula is 2 pi r. R meaning radius, and we know that the radius is 6 inches, so 2 pi 6. And like always, you can always use just a regular calculator for this, or like you can just solve this by hand, but I will just be using a calculator so it can go by faster. And you can always just do this by hand, because 2 times 3.14 times 6. The answer would be 37.68, but again, let's not worry about the decimals and just round up. So the circumference would be around 38 inches. The radius of a bicycle wheel is 20 centimeters. What is the circumference of a bicycle wheel? Okay, again, 2 pi r, 2 pi 20, and the answer to this question is 125.6, which is roughly 126 centimeters. The radio station has a broadcasting radius of 40 miles. What area does the radio station cover? Okay, well, a radio station, we would assume it is circular, so an area of a circle would be pi r squared, and then the radius is 40, so pi 40 squared is 5,024. 24 miles. What is the area of a circle if the radius of the circle is 8? Well, pi r squared can go to pi 8 squared, and pi 8 squared will turn into 200.96. Again, we're going to round up, so 201 units. What is the circumference of a hot plate of the diameter of the hot plate is 18. Okay, first of all, this question is really makes a lot of sense. Well, let's just assume that they're saying the diameter is 18 and we're trying to find the circumference. So, we know that diameter is equal to 2 of radiuses, so 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9, and we know that the circumference is 2 pi r, and if you couldn't tell, 2 times pi times r is also the same thing as d times pi, because it's 2 of r, and d is also 2 of r. So to make things simpler, we can just do 8 pi. So the answer would be 8 pi, and you can put it like this, or you can do decimal form, which is just like 8 times 3.14. So 8 times 3.14 is going to be 25 and 12. 25.12. What is the intersection of a right square prism and a plane parallel to its base? Okay, so a right square prism and a plane parallel to its base, we're going to assume it's like this. So I don't know what it's asking me actually, but I will assume it's this part.